In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show news on Tradingview chart. If you've ever tried to follow headlines while watching price action, you know how quickly the chart can get cluttered. The News Flow side panel is the clean, reliable way to keep a continuous stream of headlines and context right beside your candles without covering up any of your technical work. Start on any chart in Tradingview. On the vertical toolbar along the right edge of the screen, look for the news icon. It looks like a small newspaper. Click it, and a dedicated news flow panel will slide open. This panel is designed to live alongside your chart, so your indicators, drawings, and price bars remain fully visible while the news updates in real time. What makes this especially useful is that the feed is contextual. It automatically filters to the symbol you are currently viewing. If you are looking at a specific stock, crypto pair, or forex ticker, the headlines and summaries shown in the panel will be relevant to that instrument. Switch symbols, and the news updates with you. It's a simple way to keep the narrative of the market in view while you track levels, confirm signals, or manage open positions. You'll typically see timestamps and sources, so you can judge how fresh a headline is and where it came from at a glance. Now, if you want more control over which stories you see, Tradingview also offers a more advanced version of News Flow. Open the main products menu and select News Flow. This takes you to a richer interface that lets you build custom filters. You can focus the feed on particular asset classes like equities, crypto, or forex and narrow it by preferred providers. This is especially helpful if you are trying to reduce noise and concentrate on sources you trust, or if you trade multiple markets and want separate, purpose-built streams for each focus. Think of the side panel as your always-on symbol-aware, headline companion, and the News Flow tool under Products as your research hub for refining exactly what makes it into that stream. Used together, they help you spot catalysts, monitor sentiment shifts, and stay aware of market-moving events without pasting icons or labels directly onto your chart. To recap, click the news icon on the right toolbar to open a clean contextual feed that follows whatever ticker you are viewing. When you need deeper control, go to the Products menu and choose News Flow to set custom filters by asset class or provider. With this setup, you'll stay informed and keep your charts focused where they belong on price.